If you want this guy to choose you, you need to stop immediately these 5 mistakes that I will show and introduce you in this video. I understand you love this guy and it's very difficult for you to really fall in love. Unfortunately, you will make one of these 5 mistakes subconsciously, and this is the reason why he will pull away. This is the reason why he will hesitate between you and someone else. So if you really want him to choose you, I want you to watch this video, because the last reason, the last way to make him choose you is very special to my philosophy. It is something that you have never heard before, so pay attention. And before I share with you my tips, I want to make sure that you will smash the like button and you will also subscribe to this YouTube channel, because this is your community. That's where you can work on yourself, feel great, feel positive, and make sure that the guy will see your value. So I don't want to waste your time. I will go directly to the reason number 1, or the mistakes number 1, to never commit again if you want to make him choose you. So reason or situation or mistake number 1, it's basically to let him impose his pace. What does it mean exactly? I have this big expression saying you need to control the tempo. The tempo is the pace, the rhythm of the relationship. So if you are facing someone and you wait for him to take all the initiatives, if you wait for him to tell you what he wants, what he expects, what's important for him, you will basically focus on doing what he wants. That's what I say. You're letting him settle and make the pace and the tempo of the relationship. So you are in a reaction mode. You're not leader. You're not in control. You're not getting any initiatives. So basically, he will take you for granted. If you want a man to choose you, we need to reverse the situation. We need to make him realize how strong you are, how confident you are, but most importantly, how different you are. So he cannot play you. He cannot think that you are like other women, because you are so much different. Okay, so mistake number 1, it's basically when you will let him impose the tempo. We don't want that. Mistake number 2, it's when you come to me in coaching and you tell me, but Alex, I don't understand his behavior. He was the one initiating, calling me baby, telling me that he wants to be in a relationship, and now he's becoming distant. Every man, and I want you to listen to that, every man, our first goal is to make you fall in love. That's our first and main goal. And some men, they are willing to do anything to make you fall in love. They are willing to do anything to get access to you. Once they do, they decide that you're just a trophy and they don't want to pay much more attention. They got the trophy. What's next? Looking at someone else, not being able to invest in a relationship, not being able sometimes to respect you as well. So the mistake number 2, it's when you will listen to him. Because one more time, you will be in a reaction mode, and also you will give him the control. But men, we are built to really chase you, set you and put you on a pedestal. So the moment we know that you're available, you're present, you're willing to invest, our interest will go down. And specifically if you're facing a sensational, an avoidant, or unfortunately a toxic person, then you will find that their interest is now near to 0. What was the mistake? You were doing everything for him. You were listening to him. And so we are in this situation where he does whatever he wants, thinking that you will always be there. And me as your coach, when you come to me and we do private coaching, I'm here to reverse the situation, make him give you more attention, value who you are, make sure that he will spend some time to maintain the love, create attraction, so we can really develop a new situation, a new relationship with that person. So that would be mistake number 2. Mistake number 3. This is most of the time the reason why you come to me. It's when you're facing a routine. There is routine. There is always the same old habits in your relationship. So there is no spark. And if there is no spark for a man, that's when we decide to leave you. Because we make a huge mistake, is that there is a lot of confusion between I love you and I'm in love with you. Men, we are very bad at it. So when I don't feel the spark, when I'm not in love, I will tell you I don't love you. And sometimes I will ask for a breakup, which is wrong because we need to justify the routine and the relationship will be good to go. Now, when we talk about routine, you need to also think about the fact that you need to have intimacy with your man. You cannot just go weeks and months without having sex. We cannot just giving compliments, getting closer to each other. So if you let the routine happen, unfortunately, you will push him away. And that's when he won't choose you. Because the goal of this video is to make him choose you over anyone else. If there is a routine, any guy won't try to really understand what's going on. They won't try to fight for the relationship. And that's why you will feel disappointed and sad. So I want to warn you, if there is routine, you need to be careful. Number 4. The mistake number 4 is that you will be focusing on him too much. What do I mean by that? I've seen so many people where, so many women, when you are in a relationship, you act like a second mother. I know you like him. I know you want to be with him. And I know you heard that if you want to be with someone that you love, you need to give him your all. That could be right only if you receive the same in return. But some situation, you give your all, you're the second mother, you're here to do anything for him, and there is no result. There is nothing in return. That is not what we expect, right? So what I will suggest to you is to make sure that you keep your life as well. You will have your hobbies, you will have your time with your friends, you will go out, you will meet new people, because the more you socialize and the more you keep your activities, the more a man can respect you and feel that there is something special between the two of you. Now, when it comes to the reason number 5 or the mistakes number 5 to never make it again, and I told you this one is very important in all of my coaching. So basically, it's when you have so much fear that you will act like any other woman. When you go to your best friend, sometimes to your mom, to your cousin, they will give you an advice, but if it's not making you different from any other woman, you won't be able to make him choose you. A man will hesitate when he thinks that he's in control. So the more you give him value, the more you're needy, the more you're available, the more he will take an advantage of you. So what we want to do is to innovate. Innovate in the activities that you will do, innovate during intimacy as well, and innovate because you want to make sure that he sees your personality. So he cannot find the same energy with anyone else. So my thing as a relationship expert is to help you differentiate yourself to others. And you would find, ladies, that this is the best tool to get a guy that you truly love, even if you think that he's on a pedestal, even if you think that you're not good enough for him. You will find a real way to feel better and to learn about your qualities and your energy. How can we do that? We will use the surprise. We will focus on the intimacy. We will create new activities, but also it's all about making sure that we like the time we get and we spend together. If we like the time that we spend together, we, especially him, will want more. And this is something that we forget. We are so focused on the end results to be in a relationship that we forget to enjoy the moment. If you ask me, Alex, how can you help me change my dynamic? I have created a program that have helped thousands of women and I received so many great testimonials. It's about how to flirt with a man, how to not take you too seriously, how to not focus on the end results but also enjoy the moment and every single second. If you want to learn more about it, I created a video. You can just click in the description box below and you will learn a new philosophy where love and attraction is not bad. It's not boring. It's not annoying. If you want to talk to me, I'm still doing private coaching because that's my job. I'm not a YouTuber. I'm not an influencer. I'm not here to make you smile. I'm here to give you the results that you're looking for. So if you want to work with me, just come on my website, FrenchRelationshipExpert.com, and you have also the link. It's in the description box below. You talk to my success manager and he will tell you what's the best package for your situation. That's how I will work with you and follow you one-on-one. This is private and confidential. Ladies, I will see you soon for a new video. Remember to smash the like button and to subscribe. I want you to join this community and I will see you very soon. Bye, ladies.